Good morning from the Smokies. It's Ryan.
And Brie.
On today's adventure, we're bringing you over to the brand new HTeaO. We're gonna go inside, check out everything on their menu, check out the different types of teas and other items that they serve, try a couple, and figure out what's the best tea to get at the new HTeaO. So we're waiting on our teenager. Should be hopping in the car here, and we'll get you over to HTeaO. Without further ado, let the adventure begin. So we're turning on to Dolly Parton Pkwy from Veterans, not very far from Dollywood. I would say less than 10-minute drive if you're on your way into Dollywood or after Dollywood. Let's see, can I pull in? I can pull in here. I have to go around the building. We're gonna turn in right here. Look at the line.
Wow.
Wow. It is the grand opening. They just opened up. They've got some free teas and t-shirts. So I guess we're gonna hop in line and go check out this place. So I did want to point out they have a drive-through. However, they have it blocked off right now for the grand opening. I think they want everyone to head inside. So we're gonna hop into the back of the line and try out some of their teas. See how long it takes to get up into the store. All right, we got our spot.
We forgot our chairs.
Oh yes, chairs next time.
Good morning. We are here at HTeaO with Sarah. She is the manager here. And I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about HTeaO, what you guys do here.
So we have over 26 different flavors of iced tea and various coffees. We have sweet Georgia peach, sweet blueberry, sweet coconut. Those are our most popular flavors. We have lemonades, refreshers. We have a variety of different items. We have snacks, popcorn, beef jerky, chips. My personal favorite are the peach rings.
So for someone like me, who I'm not a big sweet tea drinker, do you have teas that are a little bit on the less sweet side?
Yes, we have, most of our flavors come sweet and unsweet, other than about 4 of them. And if you want, you can request those unsweet and we can make those for you as well.
If someone is diabetic or just doesn't like a lot of sugar, do you guys have any sugar-free options?
We do, yes. So we have over 26 flavors. Most of them come sweet and unsweet. And if it does come only sweet and you would like it unsweet, you can request it at the front counter.
So when you come in, you pick your cup size, then you get to go and just pick any tea. You get to experiment mixing teas.
Yes, ma'am. We have sample cups offered. You can mix and match as many as you'd like. Unlimited amount of samples. So come in and pick whichever one is best for you.
And what's the pricing on that?
Smallest cup ranges from $3.24 to $4.43 from the small to the huge. We have 24 ounce, 32 ounce, 40 ounce styrofoam, and a 50 ounce huge. Our gallons are 703 with tax.
What are some of those favorite combinations that people just love?
So my personal favorite, which is also a fan favorite, is the wedding cake. It is half sweet coconut, half sweet almond green. We also have the gingerbread man, that is peach ginger mixed with chai. We have cowboy, which is Ryan Palmer mixed with sweet blueberry green. We're gonna have the secret menu printed out in our store as well as online. So you can always ask our employees and we'll be able to answer it for you.
So if I come in, I'm new, I've never been to an HTeaO, and I'm like, I want that gingerbread, you'll teach me how to make it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We'll tell you what's in it and we can teach you how to make it, or we can make it for you if you really want us to do it.
Okay, wonderful. So can you tell me a little bit about how HTeaO got started?
So HTeaO got started in Amarillo, Texas. It was actually sold in a restaurant called Buns Over Texas. They noticed that their tea sales were going off the charts. Then transferred to a place called Texas Tea, where they just sold iced flavored tea. And then after that, they opened up their first standalone HTeaO, and now we have over 160 different locations, and we're now branching out into different states. Like us, we're in Tennessee. It's not in most other states, but Texas is where it originated.
Is this the first one in Tennessee?
It is not. I wish it was. There's one in Chattanooga and Lexington. So we are the third.
And you're hoping to expand?
We will expand more. We are hoping for Knoxville That's where we're shooting for, and also Gatlinburg.
So do you offer any military discounts or anything like that?
So our first responders in uniform drink free. Our military, we do not have a military discount, but all 10% of our coffee sales goes directly towards the military. For our rewards program, once you download the app, you get a free huge drink after your first purchase. Every purchase you buy is 2 points per every dollar. And you can get points for like free drinks, free gallons. We also just added a free HTeaO merch, so be on the lookout for that. We're unsure about how many points that is right now, but you get lots of good points for downloading the app.
So I know you guys have some coffees, your brew house originals. Can you tell me a little bit about those?
So our brewhouse originals, we use a brand called Free Rein. Cole Hauser from Yellowstone is actually the owner of that coffee brand. HTeaO in itself is one of the only businesses that sells it actually brewed. It is sold in like grocery stores, but they sell it like in the bags, like grounds or beans. So we're actually only HTeaO that sells it brewed.
Okay. Wonderful.
And they're super good. Our caramel macchiato is our top seller.
Ooh,
So you have to
my
try that
daughter's
one.
gonna love that.
Yeah, that's really good.
And what are your hours as far as coming in the store or drive-through?
So Monday through Friday, it is 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Saturdays, it's 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And Sundays, it's 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Our drive-through is open the entire time that our in-store is open as well. Inside, it's all self-serve. Drive-through, we make it for you. And we have happy hour from 2 to 4 p.m. It is buy one, get one free, every single cup size of tea.
And every day?
Every day.
Okay. All right. Wonderful. Thank you so much. We're looking
Yes.
forward to trying some.
Thank you.
So now that we've chatted with Sarah, we hop back in line and we should be going into HTeaO next. I'm excited to try, I think that wedding cake sounded really good.
Y'all turn up.
All right.
Thank you.
You can sample. We got sample cups. You can try any tea we got.
Oh, we're getting some stickers. There you go.
Thank
We'll give away a sticker to a random commenter on this video.
And you said we can sample any of the 2017s? Are there little sample cups by
Yes,
each tea? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
So, Juliana, what's your favorite flavor?
I like our mango fresco. I bought a gallon yesterday and it's gone this morning.
Wow.
Yeah, it's super good.
So that one's already mixed together. I don't have to create that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
of course.
I got a huge cup. It's huge. Hannah's
They are
going
free
large.
today. So Hannah's got one.
You just going for the mango? Don't you want to try it first?
Brie is grabbing her first
All right,
sample
I'm just gonna
cup.
grab some sample cups because they're sticky. All right, I'm trying strawberry passion.
Okay, somebody just asked if we liked apple pie. She said that you can combine two and make apple pie.
Oh,
Yeah, she said she'd make one for us. Which two did we mix?
Ryan Palmer and Texas Chai.
All right, let's see. Apple pie?
Yeah, that's delicious. That's definitely apple pie. You want to try it?
Sure. It doesn't smell like apple pie.
No, but it tastes like it. Try this mango fresco too.
It was Ryan Palmer and what?
Ryan Palmer and Texas Chai.
Yeah, I can see that. Not overly sweet. Not too bad at all. Apple pie. So sweet zero, strawberry passion, cherry, Texas chai, mango fresco, which is what Hannah's getting, and Brie just tried.
It's a little sweet for me, so I'm gonna keep on going.
Okay.
Yeah. You want to try it?
Hannah's trying it.
Yeah, I like it.
Lemonade, Ryan Palmer, regular again.
Unsweet.
Oh, okay,
So
unsweet.
that's sweet. That's unsweet.
So we got regular sweet, unsweet, blueberry green, wild raspberry, coconut. I think that's the one.
It's a favorite blend right here.
Okay.
Coconut.
Coconut and peach.
And you've got wild raspberry, coconut again, Georgia peach,
Oh, There's
blueberry.
My section. Unsweet, unsweet, unsweet.
There you go. That's what Brie is looking for. We've got
Oh,
sweet almond green.
unsweet. You're an
That's
unsweet
an
girl.
unsweet girl. Yep.
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh, I like the peach. I also like to do like 3/4 unsweet and like a quarter sweet, so I get a little sweetness.
Right,
But
right.
you were saying you can add the unsweet mint.
You can really the unsweet mint to actually anything,
Uh-huh.
stuff like that. And our lemonade right here is real strong, so a lot of people get about half a thing of lemonade and maybe put some wild raspberry in it.
That's
So-
really good. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
This is the science class I like.
Got almond green, green, peach ginger unsweet, watermelon, mint, unsweet mint, and a decaf regular.
It's a lot of tea.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed all of the teas. Of course, I like the unsweet tea best, but I decided to go about a quarter sweet peach and the rest unsweet peach because I really like the peach flavor, but this gives me the perfect sweetness. So I think if you like a flavor and you want it sweeter or not sweet, you can do a lot of variation for what you prefer.
Yeah, I like you said, it's kind of a science project where you can come over and just make it any way you want with different combinations. You just fill up your cup with as much tea, ice, and the size of cup that you want.
We wanted to try a coffee. How do we do that?
Do you know what coffee you're wanting?
I'm not sure.
We have a menu up there. I don't know what kind of you really like.
Iced
for your
caramel
coffee.
macchiato, medium.
And we want to do a large iced caramel macchiato.
The biggest size we do for that is a 24 ounce. Is that okay?
That's fine, yeah.
So in addition to making your own tea, you can get their gallon jugs, as they have a number of different flavors that you can come over here and grab and go. And I did just ask, you can actually make a custom gallon jug of any combination that you like in particular. As you go up to the drive-through window or come in, they'll put it all together the exact way you want. So we're gonna try out the coffee.
Yes. You know what I love about this place?
What's that?
Plastic straws.
There you go.
I've had paper straws all week.
Yeah, we were down in Florida and kept running into paper, so.
They're so
all right,
cute. HTeaO.
nice.
All right, Hannah left me, so I guess I'll try it. That's good.
What did we order again?
Caramel macchiato.
Okay.
Yeah, Hannah's gonna like this.
Before we head out to the car, I did want to show you some of the items they have in here. Some different beef jerky. It looks like some pork rinds, along with some different chips and it's like popcorn. Different brands over here.
That's a killer brownie right there.
Yeah, as well as some
Uh-huh.
cupcakes and some other goodies over here that you can grab and go.
That looks amazing.
And over here they've got some Unreal candy and looks like some milk bars. It's like a legally addictive brand snacks as well, and some Tony's chocolate. So some different items than you would find in a Walmart, for example, as well as some different cups and merchandise. But here is a look at the new HTeaO in Sevierville, Tennessee. We also were able to get a free t-shirt as one of the first 250 people in the store. And before I grab my tea, I wanted to point out that it's really nice little pieces of ice, not big chunks of ice. And they have free complimentary fruit that you can add to the top of your tea over here. What am I getting? Coconut and
Half coconut, half almond green.
coconut sweet. We don't want the unsweet
Coconut
coconut,
sweet.
so half coconut. Oh, that might be more than half, but almond
Keep
green.
going, keep going. Yep.
All right, we're going with the sweet almond green. All right, this is the one Sarah was talking up as the wedding cake, I believe.
Yes.
All right,
Yes.
there we go. Let's head to the car and give this a try.
Okay. So here at the grand opening of HTeaO, we got free tea.
And a free tea.
It's a real.
And Hannah's got tea back there. So you want to try my wedding cake
Yes, I do.
that we put together? All right, after you.
Ooh.
And I did sweet, and you're not a big sweet tea drinker.
No, but that definitely tastes like wedding cake because it has the coconut and the almond. That's definitely wedding cake. Yeah, that's really good.
And you don't have to get the giant one, but it's opening day, and they're free. So
No, that's huge.
yeah, we went with the extra huge size.
And honestly, the price to go from small to medium to large to huge, it's only like $1 from the small to the huge. Tea is not like soda where the fizziness goes, fizzles out and it's gross, but you could drink half of it and then drink the other half the next day. So why not go huge?
Yeah,
It's only like $4.19 or something.
let me give it a try. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely a wedding cake. And again, I got the sweet version, but you could get the same coconut and what was the second one?
Almond green.
Almond green. They had, I think, both coconut and almond green and non-sweet. So if you found this too sweet, really you could just get a sample and make your own with the sweet first.
Yes.
If it's too sweet, then you can make it with the unsweet version. So
Yeah, or half and half if you're kind of like me, like a little sweet but not too much.
So you've tried a bunch of teas and you've tried their coffee. Which do you like better? Their tea, the tea or the coffee? Got my merge mixed up.
I actually like both. The coffee's really good. I was actually a little surprised that the coffee would be so good at a tea place, but I really do like the caramel macchiato. That's the only one we tried, but it's really good. But I love the teas too. I don't know. It's just whatever I'm in the mood for. The teas are very refreshing. I love that I can customize the sweetness. So, and I love all the flavors. They're just, the flavors there without it just being sugary, which is what I like about tea.
But hopefully this video has been helpful or enjoyable to get a better idea of what HTeaO is like. Like she said, this is their 3rd Tennessee location. They're continuing to expand. Maybe you'll get one near you. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Have you been to HTeaO? What is your favorite combination that we should try? Or if you haven't been here yet, which one are you looking forward to try the most? Again, just leave a comment. We'll give away one of the extra stickers we got to a random comment. But Brie, I'll give you last thoughts on HTeaO.
Last thoughts, I think this is a great place to come if you're craving a coffee or tea, but especially like on a hot day, you want a nice iced tea. This is a great place to come to just get that refreshing drink. And again, I love the huge size is only like $1 more than the small.
Which I will say, if you're on a road trip, for example, if you and I were gonna go somewhere and we both like the same thing, yeah, just pay a little extra more and we can kind of share.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, if we can find the same thing.
Yeah.
There's so many options. I think it would be tough. It would be like, no, I think I want to do this one. No, I want to do this one. So, but if you do both like the same thing, you get the mega size.
Or you can drink half of it one day and it's still going to be good. The next day you can drink the other half.
Yeah.
And plastic straws. I mean, you can't go wrong with plastic straws.
Well, that's going to wrap up this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, do us a big favor. Simply like the video before you leave. It's a great way to support our channel. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you made it this far, we thank God for you. Until next time, we'll see you on the next adventure.
Put that in.
I know. Good afternoon from the Smokies. It's Ryan.
Good morning from the Smokies.
Yeah, I guess it is morning. Afternoon. I need some,
morning.
maybe they have some caffeine in this tea.
Yeah, I think they do.
All right.
I need some caffeine too.
Go ahead.
So we got free tea, free tea.
Sorry. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So here at grand
Hold on.
opening.
There's something cat hair flying around my face here. Go ahead. Go ahead.